rivers and waterfalls. I can hear the planet call. Show a little respect. Show a little beautiful to everything that is beautiful. And if you wanna save it all, show a little respect. In the sun, another day is born. While all the world is sleeping, there's music in the dawn. See the clouds, phantoms in the sky, changing as the wind blows right before your eyes. Through these creations, we learn to understand the wonder of life we're holding in our hands. Animals who are rivers and waterfalls, I can hear the planet call. Show a little respect. There's a place, a green and peaceful place, a place without the borders to divide the human race. It's been created in a billion years. Don't tear it apart, don't dry the world to tears. Animals who are rivers and waterfalls, I can hear the planet call. Show a little respect. That is beautiful to everything that is beautiful. And if you wanna save it all, show a little respect. In the name of progress, everybody's come too far. In the name of money, who do we think we are? Animals who are rivers and waterfalls, I can hear the planet call. Show a little respect. That is beautiful to everything that is beautiful. And if you wanna save it all, show a little respect.